Hey there, if you want to keep your car running smoothly, hit that subscribe button now and let's get started. Today, we're going to show you how to change the oil filter in your car. It's a simple process that you can do yourself with just a few tools. Changing your car's oil filter is an essential part of regular vehicle maintenance. Not only does it help keep your engine running smoothly, but it also extends the life of your car. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can confidently tackle this task on your own. First, we'll go over the tools you'll need, which include an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a new oil filter. We'll also discuss the importance of choosing the right type of oil for your vehicle. Next, we'll demonstrate how to safely lift your car and locate the oil filter. Once we've found the filter, we'll show you how to remove the old one and install the new one properly. Finally, we'll cover how to dispose of the old oil and filter responsibly. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to change your car's oil filter like a pro. So let's get started. First, make sure your car is on a flat surface. This is crucial for safety and to ensure that the oil drains properly. A flat surface prevents the car from rolling and allows the oil to flow out evenly. Whether you're in your garage, on your driveway, or even in a parking lot, just make sure the ground is level. If your car is on an incline, it could lead to inaccurate oil levels and potential safety hazards. So, take a moment to find a flat spot before you begin. Next, ensure the engine is cool. Working on a hot engine can be dangerous and uncomfortable. If you've been driving, give your car some time to cool down. A hot engine can cause burns and make the oil extremely hot, which is not safe to handle. Ideally, wait at least 30 minutes after driving to let the engine cool. This will make the process safer and more pleasant. You'll need an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, and a drain pan. These tools are essential for the job. The oil filter wrench helps you remove the old filter, the new oil filter replaces the old one, and the drain pan catches the old oil. Make sure you have these items ready before you start. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. You can find these tools at any auto parts store or online. It's also a good idea to have some rags or paper towels handy to clean up any spills. Step 1. Locate the oil filter. It's usually near the bottom of the engine. The oil filter is a cylindrical component that can be found attached to the engine block. Depending on your car model, it might be more accessible from underneath the car or from the side. If you're unsure, consult your car's manual for the exact location. Knowing where the oil filter is will save you time and effort. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its location before proceeding. Step 2. Place the drain pan underneath the oil filter to catch any oil that spills out. This step is important to avoid making a mess. Oil can be quite messy, and you don't want it spilling all over your driveway or garage floor. Position the drain pan directly under the oil filter to catch every drop. If you have an old sheet or some cardboard, you can place it under the pan to catch any stray drips. This will make cleanup easier and keep your workspace tidy. Step 3. Use the oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Turn it counterclockwise until it comes off. The oil filter wrench is designed to grip the filter tightly, making it easier to unscrew. If the filter is on too tight, you might need to use a bit of force. Be patient and apply steady pressure. Once the filter is loose, be prepared for some oil to spill out. That's why the drain pan is there. Carefully remove the filter and set it aside. Step 4. Take your new oil filter and apply a small amount of oil to the rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. The rubber gasket is the part of the filter that makes contact with the engine. Applying a thin layer of oil to the gasket ensures that it seals properly and prevents leaks. Use your finger to spread a small amount of oil evenly around the gasket. This simple step can make a big difference in the performance of your new filter. Step 5. Screw the new oil filter onto the engine. Turn it clockwise until it's snug, then give it an extra quarter turn. It's important not to over-tighten the filter. Over-tightening can damage the gasket and cause leaks. Once the filter is snug, a quarter turn is enough to secure it. Use your hand to tighten the filter, as using a wrench can apply too much force. Make sure the filter is firmly in place but not overly tight. And that's it! You've successfully changed your car's oil filter. Make sure to dispose of the old filter properly. Used oil filters can be harmful to the environment, so it's important to recycle them. Many auto parts stores and recycling centers accept used oil filters. Place the old filter in a plastic bag to prevent any remaining oil from leaking out. Check with your local recycling center for proper disposal methods. Congratulations on completing the oil filter change. Regular maintenance like this keeps your car running smoothly and extends its lifespan. If you have any doubts or need further assistance, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic. GAP 3S. Here are some bonus tips to keep your car in top shape. Tip 1. Regularly check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency and increase wear. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure your tires are inflated to the recommended levels. This not only improves gas mileage but also extends the life of your tires. Tip 2. Keep your car clean. A clean car not only looks good but also helps prevent rust and corrosion. Regular washing and waxing protect your car's paint and undercarriage from dirt, salt, and other harmful elements. Don't forget to clean the interior as well. Vacuuming and wiping down surfaces can keep your car looking new and can even improve your driving experience. Tip 3. Don't ignore warning lights. If a warning light comes on, get it checked out as soon as possible. Ignoring these alerts can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Whether it's the check engine light, oil pressure light, or any other warning, take it seriously and address the issue promptly. And remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car. Regular maintenance not only keeps your vehicle running smoothly, but also ensures your safety on the road. By following these tips and performing routine checks, you'll save money on repairs and extend the life of your car. Happy driving. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. We regularly upload videos that cover a wide range of topics, from basic car care to advanced repair techniques. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We love hearing from our viewers and are always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.